super large calf, but I have a good calf. And so I don't ever have to go white calf. I just take it in the standards and it just looks so amazing. So this, I've been looking for it in the suede and just could not find it. It's there, but again, not in my size. And so I was able to actually find this when I went to the coat store in Nashville. When I saw this, I was like, oh my God. They had another pair, which is a riding boots. And I contemplate getting the riding boots, but when I tried it on, I didn't like the way it looked. So I just said no on that one. But when I tried this on in the store, I knew was going home. This is actually, again, ladies, this isn't a 10. And I've had troubles with Coach's 10 before because there's some that I've tried on and it just seems a little tight or something like that. And then some I try on and it seems like it's really the right fit. This was one of them. Again, the heel is about 2.5, this is about 3 inches, right? And it's not that super high, but it's perfect. Again, if I'm going to work and I want to rock this with a nice dress and some skirt, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the skirt. I have the skirt on. I'm going to be putting these on and then I'll upload exactly what it looks like. So you'll be able to see it, what it looks like once I tried it on and get everything going. You'll be able to see what it looks like. I love the color. It's a deep chocolate kind of brown and I just loved it. It is absolutely beautiful. I am excited to wear it and see what it feels like. When I tried it on, it was super comfortable. And I am obsessed with boots because I have so many pairs of boots. But